Good afternoon. This is Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group, and I want to welcome you to 2315 Wood Springs in Caldwell, Idaho. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,443 square foot home with a 2-car garage and RV parking, meticulously landscaped, very gently lived in home. You see the beautiful front porch. Got the cool entry here with the lights out here and beautiful trees, full curbing around the yard, which makes your landscaping easier, doing your mowing. You notice that the full rain gutters with the rain chain that's coming down there, vinyl fencing, well-maintained trees as well, and a very quiet street. The 3 cars you see on the street are mine, my assistant, and the owner's car. And you don't see any other cars on the street until you get down to somebody doing a lawn and our photographer who's inside right now. So I love that about this neighborhood, just meticulously maintained homes all around it. Nice light post right here. Nice tall garage door, the river rock accent. Fantastic roof on it, and again, potential RV, boat parking, whatever you want over here, again with the vinyl. I like that there's kind of 2 points of entry here, with an entry right off of the street. We're over here nice and wide, and again the beautiful covered front porch. It reminds me of a lot of the homes that I see on the Oregon coast. Kind of has that beach cottage vibe. Notice the nice wide steps coming up and the leaded glass decorated door there. So we'll go inside and take a look. Okay, walking inside now. First thing you'll notice is a tile entry. And sorry, the neighbor just fired up their lawnmower and weed whacker. And I just love this family room here. You've got the 9-foot ceilings. I like the built-in bookcases here. Just nice and open, bright. It's kind of a light greenish yellow type of color in here. Again, kind of the Oregon coast vibe. Nice wood ceiling fan here. Plenty of light, nice big windows all the way across the front. Carpet is newer, nice pad on it. It's really cushy. Notice they've got the nice big baseboards throughout as well. We've got the real hardwood floors going into the kitchen. But before I show you that, I'm gonna take you past the bookshelves into kind of the perfect floor plan. So we've got the 2 bedrooms over here. Notice how they have 2 windows on the wall instead of just 1 that most of the builders do. Ceiling fan in here. And you've got the nice sturdy closet doors on this versus, the bifolds or slider, so that's nice. You've got the 2 linen closets, 1 on each side, which is really nice. Shower unit here with a window. Your vanity and mirror, tile backsplash, vinyl flooring. And then the next bedroom over here. Carpet in perfect condition with your built-ins here. Plenty of space. Again, nice solid doors. I like the 5-panel doors here. That's really nice looking, more modern, tasteful. And light fixtures, more unique, classy looking. And notice also in here, all the windows have the full wood trim. They're not just the sheetrock wrapped, but you've got the full trim all the way around the windows with a little accent piece across there. Just little touches that make a house feel nicer. This goes into the master bedroom over here, so I'll go ahead and take you that way before we hit the kitchen. And again, you've got kind of your coat closet here. Nice and tall, plenty of space in here. Sorry if I'm moving the camera too fast. Again, 2 windows in this room as well. And another ceiling fan. Nice big room. This has the pocket door here into the master bath. And then off to the left is a really good sized closet. So you've got all the space over here, and then this continues around all the way around the door as well. So you have more space on that side as well. So nice and deep. You have curtains and rods in here. And then you've got the dual sinks here, raised vanity, kind of timeless wood cabinets, frosted glass here. And then you have the shower tub combo with the soaker tub. So nice and deep, wide, the sprayer on there. Additional grab bar. And now I'll take you over to the kitchen and dining area. Okay, so here we are. Nice big eating space. You've got room to pretty much put any size table any direction you want. You can do a big round table. You've got the breakfast bar here with the drop pendant lighting. We have the garage door open over there, so my apologies, photographer's still here. Big countertops, or lots of counter space. I'm gonna go ahead and close that door real quick. Again, this is real hardwood floors here. Nice transitions over here with my blue suede shoes. Lots of counter space in here. Nice deep sink. The tall faucet. Love the cabinetry again. It has the accent crown molding on there. Very pretty. Full wood wrap, full tile backsplash like I mentioned. Lots of cabinets. A lot of the homes are kind of going to these L-shaped, completely L-shaped kitchens. And you have to count the number of cabinets. And this one has a lot more than most. Even homes with more square footage. So I like the amount of counter space. There's still room if you wanted to do a little mobile island in here. There's even room right here if you wanted to do a little cart or another pantry piece of furniture. And you could do a buffet or other type of furniture here as well. And it still wouldn't impede on, let me zoom out for you. You could even do more stuff here and it wouldn't impede on your ability to put a nice big table in. So again, I really like the size of this kitchen here. It's fantastic. I'll zoom back in there. You got the refrigerator is included, and there's one out in the garage as well. And look how deep that, pardon me, that pantry is. It's just huge. Fantastic. And then you have, of course, the Whirlpool dishwasher over here. And this has the pocket door going into the laundry, which is very convenient. Over there. And last but not least is the, well, let me take you out to the backyard before we hit the garage. This is one of my favorite areas. So you step out to this deck, very charming, low maintenance. And I believe we're kind of facing east right now, so this would be nice and shaded. Low maintenance back here. You've got the shed over here. Nice modern cut, so it's got the roof that kind of comes at a slant and potential RV parking there. Your evergreens. The neighbor has a huge willow here. And you got the concrete under here as well. So just like I said, low maintenance, nice and easy to maintain. There's a good shot of it right there. And this nice big sturdy deck. Now I'm going to take you over to the side of the house over there. All right, so walking over to the south side of the home. Again, extensive curbing used throughout, which just makes mowing really simple. sprinkler system that goes throughout and waters everything nice and easy. Some rose bushes. And here's that tough shed and the RV parking here. Boat, whatever you want to put. That's got the RV gate there. And this is the style of the shed right there. This can be moved, pardon me, fairly easily. Have shed movers. This could be pushed back further, another several feet that way, or you could turn it this way or put it right here. And then that would give you even more space to pull stuff in there if you wanted to. This just worked for the current owner. And there you have it. If you have any questions about this house, you can reach me at 208-340-0000. Sean at rockidaho.com. If you're working with an agent, give them a call and schedule a showing, and they can also contact me for more information. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out in the garage now, and this is an oversized in length garage. I don't have the measurements with me right now, but you can see it on my website. Oh, I do have the measurements. It's 19 by 29. So the new homes typically go to about 21 feet length in length, and this is a full, almost another, 7 or 8 feet, and you can really tell the difference in here. And you've got the sink right here, an additional fridge, some cabinets if you want to keep them, nice big window in here, fluorescent lighting. It's also great that the owner painted this white, and this area right here, pardon me, is where the furnace is at. Sorry, I have a few allergies today. So you've got the newer furnace in here, looks great. And it's nice that they put doors in that are vented as well. Again, very thoughtful. And then you've got the water heater over here on this side. So everything's nice and easy, accessible. And you've also got the treated garage floor in here. As you can see there. So again, everything's about low maintenance, light and bright, etc. And then you've got in Idaho, we call it a man door or service door that goes out to the side of the house also, which is very convenient. So again, Sean Taylor, Silver Creek Realty Group. If you have any additional questions, you can reach your agent, or if you're not working with one, feel free to give me a call. All right, thank you. Have a great day.